Good afternoon, friends. I am Navin Venkat. I am from Cost team. Here I am going to do a debate on money versus love. Here I support the money. Money is great.
But I oppose you, Mr. Navin Venkat, because without any relationship, how can you justify with the money? How can you manage money to spend on others?
To exist in this situation, we should want money to survive.
Yeah, you are talking about the present situation, but we are having this world from since many of the years ago, na? But before that, the money is actually created by man, but not by created from the day the world has begun. That means what I want to justify is in past days the invention of the money. Many of the people are making relationships based on the love, but not with the money. After the invention of the money, the relation became changed.
I am not opposing that love is first. I am saying that money is great. To survive, money is needed to every man.
But you are telling
To buy
that
your trouser and shirt, we need money, not love. If you are too strong man,
okay.
you should buy your trouser with money. You should not say, I will give love. I will give love, give me trouser.
That's a silly point. Actually, you are telling that if I wanted to buy a trouser, it won't offer the money, but I have to offer. You are telling that money is essential, but love is guaranteed thing which we
How
cannot.
can you say love is guaranteed? It doesn't give you guarantee.
What guarantee, na? Yeah, that
How can you say? It's guaranteed.
your parents are loving you. Yeah? Your parents
How
are
can
loving
you
you.
guarantee? How can you guarantee?
How can we guarantee?
How many years it will be? How can you guarantee?
The matter is not how many years. It's a universal fact that we have to agree. But we don't oppose the parents, and we shouldn't abuse our parents. That means they
I'm
are.
not abusing my parents.
And not telling about that. That it is a good point you are raising, but the real law we are taking from the parents is we have to accept the rule.
You are saying that parents are loving the children, but many of the parents are selling the children for money. Then what is it?
Okay, you are telling that many of them, but you and me are there, na? But why our parents are not selling us? Because they show love. Some of you are telling that many are facing the problems due to some not only for about the money, but many of the problems they face. For that, in our India, there are many rules that one for one family. If that rule is applies in the China, but if you watch in China, the many parents didn't sell their children to anybody.
That's China, is India. In India, there are so many of money problems.
Why are you taking in only India? But why not you think about the world?
And you're saying that for a human survey, love and money are important. But more than love, money is important. I'll give you an example. Without money, can a mother can make a child to survive? Without money?
Yeah.
How?
Because whatever you
Without money, can a mother feed her child?
If you love only your child, then only you.
How can we have to feed your child? Then you want money, not love.
But love is but you can love the children, then only you can buy anything for your child.
That's what I think. To show love, money is important. That means money is important to love.
If there is money, there is no love, they happy.
What?
If there is money, but there is have no love between mother and daughter, they feel happy.
No.
So, money is great.
without money and with only love, can family be happy?
If for example, we take they have no money, but they live happily because of love.
Not love, by eating food. Where they get the food? Only through money, not love. They love what and they get the money.
Basic needs, what a man needs, air for survival. I'm saying air, water, food, clothing, and you say you include love in that. What a man needs is air, water, food, and clothing. I say for survival. So love is something which comes apart from that. In addition to these, you need love to survive. So, your food, your air, your water, and your clothing can be bought with money.
It's for his comfort, not
For existence, you can't survive without air. You can't live a minute without air, which you are now buying.
If you are not, we have not love, we can also survive. We cannot survive.
No, it's not that. You cannot survive without air. That's a good point. You cannot survive without water. That's a good point. You cannot survive without food. That is a good point. You cannot survive without love. Is not a good point. You can survive. You can exist without love.
If you have food, if you have water, if you have money, but you feel your parents not with love, you feel happy. No happy.
You are speaking about happy life, and I am speaking about life. I am speaking about existence. You are speaking about living. Saints, for example, say about saints. What do they love? They love nothing. Okay, they love nothing. Saints do live in our community. Saints love nothing. You are saying that saints love nothing. Okay, I agree with you in that point. Okay, but one thing that I want to tell is, if you want to live yourself about your comfort, it is called selfishness. Okay, but you are living with your comfort, and by looking at other comfort, that's the main point to show love on others, and it is the main base which is our community is running on the path. To live with a community, you need not to have love. You can have money, plenty of money. How can you say that can you justify your sentence by telling an example? Anil Ambani does not love me, but I use Reliance. But coming to the Dhirubhai Ambani, he doesn't have any money, but he came to the peaks which was given to the money to the Anil Ambani. Yes. Point here. It's not there is a point, man, because coming to the Dhirubhai Ambani, he works as a petrol man. He works in a petrol bunk for daily wage. You agree with? Many of them know how he came to the upper position. But in that he satisfied for his daily wage to maintain his family. For that only. But when he earns many of the money coming and he gave many his properties to the many of the persons, that means Anil Ambani and Dhiru Ambani, they are separated now. Can you? So you think love exists between them? Okay, if he doesn't give money to them, I am guaranteeing you, they doesn't separate before. They didn't become separate.
You're saying that Dhirubhai Ambani shared that money. So, he shared his money. They love him. You're saying that only, na?
No.
Are you saying that only?
No.
So only by
He's
sharing
not saying
money.
that. He's saying that if money doesn't come between them, they may be together. They may have love అని చెప్తున్నాడు. If the love is there, they won't be separate. Because money has entered, they separated. And చెప్పాడు
They thought that the money is more important than love, so they have separated.
Yeah, but you are telling that if they, I'm telling you that if they doesn't have any barriers of the such type of money and other luxuries life, they will be very apt to their responsibilities and they will become nice brothers in all over the world. I can guarantee you, because in this world, if there is no relationship, that means how the relationship is formed, because of the love, but not with the money. Coming to you, before you are born in your mother's womb, your mother doesn't know who will born. Maybe I or you. No mother will expect. Okay. No mother will expect who will born. But after their child is born, many of the mothers are loving their child throughout their life. I can justify you. Many of the mothers and family is loving their child without expecting any help from their children.
You saying that mothers love their child, but the children are loving their mother. I say that children are loving their mother up to an age. After that, they keeping their mother at other house and say send some maid servant to see her.
Okay.
Wait. And tell me, in there that the children is not loving the mother.
You are telling about some people only.
Not some people, many people I see.
Many people you have seen, but you haven't seen many other people who are watching, who are seeing their
Try to
mother.
minimize your thing. Time is going up.
And you are saying parents love sons and son love parents. In so many cases we found that parents are killing children and children are killing parents for what they are killing. Then they are killing for wealth and they are being apart from the parents also.
You are telling that it is because of not understanding. It is for every person in this world who are existing in this world has a quality of love in their heart. But what is the mistake is they can't understand up to now. They have the barrier. It's name called ego. It's for that only they are not understanding with each other.
Parents do love children, children do love parents. And why do they kill their parents or their children? And they are killing for money or the wealth, what they are having.
You are telling that children are killing parents for money. That's
Of
right.
course, so many cases we have gone.
Okay. But why are they? Can you justify your sentence by why children are killing their parents?
And further wealth, you
For their wealth. Okay. Coming to my family only. Okay. My father has much wealth. Then I think so. But why shouldn't I kill my father? It's not up to the point. You are completely wrong about your sentence.
I'm not saying about you, I'm saying so many cases I have seen.
But you have not seen many other cases, na?
Seen actually.
How can you tell how many cases you have seen about?
About more than 25 cases.
Only 25. But in this world there are many hundred millions of people are there. But in many cases it doesn't happen now.
Many of the parents are killing their children because of money. I can give an example. During their pregnant, they take a scanning. If the child is a girl, they are killing by when she is growing, the girl, they have to spend more money. If the baby is a boy, they're not.
Okay, tell me about before the technology has grown up till now. For the past 20 years only the scanning system has arrived to all over the world. But before that the scanning system was also there.
Right. Done.